glory, hail spirit Wufarth. Then oil from urns fed greedy flames, burning what few my legion I slayed. Wordlessly they chanted, then until dawn, every flake of ash gathered ere they marched on. Swept along unseen, so too went I, meekly haunting these children of the sky. Tirelessly they went, holy shit, over hearth and hill. Exhaustion seemed only to spur them still. Unflagging they went, a whirl of rage, soon finding our camp bloated with prey. My dead heart ached, for I knew men within, doomed, never knowing how close was their end. Again the Nord chest swelled up in refrain. I screamed unheard.
Alright, I guess this is my
Period.
turn. I wept with honor plain. Hear us, our ancestor, Ash King Ysmir. Honor this warband as we glory to repair. Those dead to whom you spoke and heard, we bear them upon us, your valor conferred. And so it was, to the men each was smeared with ash of brother's bone, blood and beard. These ashen brutes, the ask-led men, set to gruesome task, each bowstring bent. I bellowed then, a cry desperate rage, a futile howl among those men, an empty page. Yet one elder turned and unthinkingly stared into the vapor soul of me, his nostrils flared. He bellowed ancient words, his beard aflame, and my vision fell away. Peace at last came.
That's the end. Songs